Here is the structure of singleton pattern. We'll see how this is implemented in Objective-C source. Here is the class singleton. It has instance variable data. It has class method instance and other methods set data and get data. Here is the implementation of singleton. It has static variable instance of type singleton initialized with nil. Here is the implementation of class method instance. Inside this, we are checking if static variable instance value is nil, then we are creating singleton object and we are assigning to static variable instance, and at the end we are returning the instance. Suppose instance is not nil, that means instance is already pointing to a singleton object. In that case, we are just returning the instance. That means we are creating a single singleton object and this instance is pointing to that singleton object. Here is the implementation of method setData with parameter value of type int. Inside this, we are setting the instance variable data with this value. Here is the method getData that returns the instance variable data value. Okay, let's see the main. Here we are calling the class method instance with singleton class. So it comes here, it checks since instance is nil. So it will create the singleton object and that object will be assigned to static variable instance. And then we are returning the instance. And here we are calling the method setData on the returned instance with parameter value 10. So here it sets the instance variable data with this value 10, and here again we are calling the class method instance with singleton class. So it comes here and this time instance is not nil, so it returns the instance which is pointing to the singleton object which was created earlier. So we can see second time object is not created and object is created through this method, class method. And we are calling here the method getData on returned instance. So it returns the instance variable data value which is 10. So it will display data is 10. Okay, we will run this program and we will see the output. So we can see here we are setting the data with value 10 and here we are getting the value 10 and which is displayed here. So we can have init method which can raise the exception. So in that case, singleton object cannot be created directly here, and you can also have implementation for providing inheritance and supporting threads.